Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure Windows is current and you're signed into a Microsoft account. This allows live content. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Personalization, then Lock Screen. You do this because the live lock screen options are controlled here. Make sure Focus Assist is off so notifications can show. You'll see Background and Lock Screen Preview. Don't change anything else yet. Next, select Background to pick Live or Windows Spotlight as the foundation for the live lock screen. Now you enable the actual live features. Choose Windows Spotlight or the Live option under Background because these feed dynamic images and updates. Next, turn on Show Lock Screen Background Picture on the sign-in screen so the effect appears consistently. Then, add apps under Lock Screen Status. Pick one detailed app and a few quick status apps so you get live info like calendar or weather. You do this because the lock screen needs permission to display app content and live updates in real time. Finish by locking the PC to confirm the live lock screen is active. Press Windows plus L to preview. If the image is static or apps don't update, restart Explorer. EXE from Task Manager or reboot to reload personalization services. Make sure your Microsoft account syncing and Spotlight are enabled. These services push dynamic content. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, or switch between Spotlight and Live then back. This forces a refresh. One key tip, check Focus Assist and Battery Saver as they can block live updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.